अब आ रहा है नागिन 2, जिसमें आपको देखने को मिलेगी मोनी रॉय डबल रोल में और साथ में आपको नजर आएंगे कुछ नए चेहरे। जी हाँ, नागिन में थे अर्जुन बिजलानी और नागिन 2 में है कूल डूड करणवीर बोहरा। नागिन में सिर्फ अदा खान थी नेगेटिव किरदार में, मगर इस बार नागिन 2 में अदा खान के साथ आशिका गुरारिया भी नजर आएंगी। तो आइए मिलवाते हैं आपको एकता कपूर के नागिन 2 की स्टार कास्ट से।
Okay, I'll start by telling you a story. Let it be a little different. So the other day only, it's been 10-15 days that we're shooting, and suddenly our DOP comes and says, तुम लोगों का बड़ा हार्ड वर्किंग शो है. So I said, सर हम लोगों का नहीं, आपका शो है, आपका भी शो है. So that's the thing, that we work so hard that when it goes, whether it's a promo, whether it's whether it's the people working on set or the VFX team or the creative team or the channel people, everybody's like, nobody's sleeping nowadays. And I have also become slow, otherwise I'm quite a lively person. So we just want the audience to also kind of understand and appreciate and love it. So when we finished this one small promo was shot in 2 days, and for 12 hours, because they need to have like everything right plus edited accordingly. So I'm really happy that everybody has loved it and I have gotten great reviews. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed for the episodes also, and I'm hoping and praying कि last season जितना सक्सेसफुल था इस सीज़न भी हो.
तो लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है ये नया लुक भी जो मेरा है, वेस्टर्न लुक. देखिए पहला सीज़न जो स्टार्ट हुआ था वो फुली पॉजिटिव था, बाद में ग्रे हुआ एंड देन नेगेटिव हुआ. तो ऑफ कोर्स वो ग्राफ इंक्रीज़ ही होगा. तो वो जो नेगेटिव हुई थी वो और ज़्यादा नेगेटिव हो गई है और ज़्यादा जहरीली हो गई है.
So Avantika is an ageless queen. Of course, she also wants to get hold of Nagmani so that she can become powerful and she can rule the world. So it's the conflict between the good and the bad. So I'm playing my part of the bad.
It is right now. It is very not, because it's not just the physical appearance. You have to kind of mentally undo what you've just done. Plus it's the same scene and you're playing two different characters. और जब तक नहीं किया था तब तक मुझे था how difficult can it be? You just have to talk differently, behave differently. But it is, because you're that same person. To kind of behave like two different people is a bit challenging. But I'm working on it, and we have a fantastic director, Anil V. Kumar. So he is quite the taskmaster. So he's making everybody on the set act, I guess.
I'm very content because first of all it's a number one show. B, it is number one because people are connecting with, and there are some odd beliefs people, have their heart with. Well, I believe being bad is the new good, and I like being bad because it leaves me a lot as an actor to do with my character, play around and be in a certain manner. I enjoy it. Be a supernatural show, it gives me more space to do.
आशिका के साथ मैंने एक रियलिटी किया था, वेलकम. सो वी गॉट लॉन्ग देयर एंड अभी स्क्रीन शेयर करके आशिका के साथ और अच्छा लगता है. व्हेन यू मीट सच नाइस पीपल जो जेन्युइनली अच्छे होते हैं, उनके साथ काम करना भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो आई कैन ऑफ एंजॉय.
वो थोड़े तो होते ही हैं अपने आप, बट when it's about a show or a serial, you can't like completely butt your nose and say I want to wear this, I want to wear that. It is not about you, it is about the character that you're playing. So say Shivangi is a small town girl from Dehradun, and there'll be certain ways she'd be dressing up. So keeping all that in mind only, we've created a character. But yes, both mother and daughter have simpler looks. They don't have like very glamorous looks. That department we have left to Ada. So I think, and Ashka, so I think they are going to do the bit.
Karanveer and I go 12 years back. Moni and I have been around for almost a decade. So it's a reunion. It's not how is it working with someone, because we have known each other for a very long time. So it's a reunion, and it's fantastic when friends come together and deliver a product that's already successful. Yes, it's fantastic.
नागिन 2 में आपको और ज़्यादा ड्रामा देखने मिलेगा जो आप सीज़न 1 में पसंद करते थे. यस, हमारा लुक जो है बहुत ज़्यादा अलग है, मेरा और मौनी का बहुत ही ज़्यादा अलग है. वी आर टोटली डिफरेंट मॉडर्न नागिन्स जो आप देखोगी. कलर सेम है, मैं हूँ काली और वो सुनहरी नागिन वही है. एंड अर्जुन नहीं होंगे. यस, अर्जुन नहीं होंगे. वी आर मिसिंग हिम डेफिनेटली. बट यस, करणवीर बोरा है, एंड आई होप जिस तरह आपने अर्जुन को प्यार किया था उस तरह आप करण को भी प्यार करोगे. सो ये सारी नई नई चीज़ें हैं। और शेषा आप जानते हो कि उसे प्यार करना कितना पसंद है, तो पहले अर्जुन को प्यार किया था।
How can you compare two people? You can't. How can I compare Ada and Ashka also? So both of them are very different people. They have very different approaches towards the way they do the scenes. I mean, and that's the fun of it. Why would you want to repeat the same thing that you have already seen in Nagin 1? So what Arjun has done is very different and great. What KVB is doing is very different and superb. So yeah.
If actors start believing in scripts that they do in a very literal manner, then there would be multiple personality disorders happening out of severe. No, there is a line we actors need to draw in kinds of roles we play and the kinds of things we believe in. Not necessarily we believe in the things we do, and that doesn't mean that we deliver any less because we don't believe in it. We believe in it because there's a script in front of us. We are actors, we have a role to play, so there is a certain parameter of having a belief is important. I don't think it's without that it's not possible.
The funny bit is that even Ashka and me have been like friends for such a long time. So I was like, really, I get to see you like every day. I used to see you like once a month. So pretty much, yeah, I guess they're right. It is the reunion set. Ada and me and Sudhaji have been there working. And now KVB has joined us. So it's going to be a fun ride.
जब हम तीनों साथ में शूट करने लगेंगे तब आप देखोगे हम तीनों की सेल्फी साथ में। नहीं यार, वेट लूजिंग मेरा चलता ही रहता है लाइफ में, बहने के टाइम से, जब से आप देखते होगे। सो कोशिश हमेशा ये रहती है कि प्लीज़ पतली हो जाऊँ, बट कुछ नहीं होता। एंड हमेशा मौनी को कहती हूँ यार मुझे भी डांस करना चाहिए तेरे तरह, आई जस्ट वांट टू लूज़ वेट, बट सिंस आपने ये कह दिया, थैंक यू वेरी मच, यू मेड माई डे, आई वांट टू लूज़ मोर वेट।
नागिन ने तो टीआरपी रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़ दिए थे। नाउ लेट्स वेट एंड सी इफ नागिन 2 की टीआरपी नागिन की टीआरपी तोड़ पाती है या नहीं। For more updates on your favorite TV shows, subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Ashima Chawda, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Ada Khan and you're watching me on India Forums.